दोस्तों, स्पेलिंग बी और साइंस फेयर इत्यादि प्रतियोगिताओं से तो आप सब भली भांति परिचित हैं। यदि बच्चों को धर्म के प्रति जागरूक करने के लिए, उनका मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए उसी तरह की प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया जाए तो कैसा रहे। एक और इस माध्यम से बच्चों की सूझबूझ की परख होगी, तो दूसरी ओर ऐतिहासिक वेदों एवं शास्त्रों में लिखे महापुरुषों के जीवन से उन्हें प्रेरणा मिलेगी। पर क्या ये सब अमेरिका में मुमकिन है? जी हाँ, ये सब मुमकिन कर दिखाया हिंदू स्वयंसेवक संघ यूएसए ने।
So we started almost a year ago in terms of planning this event, and we thought, what is a better time than January 12th, Swami Vivekananda's birthday, to kick off and launch Dharma Bee. So we started the registration process, we provided all of the study materials, different ways of teaching the material to the kids as well. We had Swami Vivekananda as well as Sri Krishna as the topics, and we prepared them. We had teleclasses, was a popular way of teaching kids, because many of them were far apart from the places we were actually doing in-person study class.
With previous experience of Kaun Banega Ramayana Expert, the quiz contest that we had about Ramayana, we thought, why not do another nationwide quiz competition for all the children about Swami Vivekananda. We officially launched Dharma Bee on January 12th, which is Swami Vivekananda's birthday. Even before January 12th, people knew that there was something called Dharma Bee coming out, and we were getting so many queries, and so we even started doing something called pre-registration, although the official registration started on January 12th. Before they came to the level 1 also, participants had the option of doing at-home project and bring it in. So many kids did drawing and essays and posters. All the coordinators were really amazed at that.
Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh organized the Dharma Bee contest in Bellevue, Seattle. The topic for Dharma Bee is on Sri Krishna, his early childhood stories, and Swami Vivekananda's life and message.
Gotten to 8th grade prize, and at the same time
2013 we are celebrating Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary.
And again, level 2 also, they had an option of doing a seva activity for some extra points. All the parents felt really happy.
Dharma Bee is a wonderful experience. It helped me learn a lot about Swami Vivekananda and Sri Krishna. My favorite story is the friendship of Sudama and Sri Krishna. It helped me to learn about the basis of true friendship.
Dharma Bee is a wonderful experience. After Dharma Bee, I learned a lot.
Swamiji met Maharaj Mangal Singh. When Swamiji showed how idol worship is actually really good.
इस साल विभिन्न स्थानों पर स्वामी विवेकानंद जी की 150वीं जन्म जयंती मनाई जा रही है, और विशेषकर शिकागो में जहां स्वामी विवेकानंद ने 1893 में वर्ल्ड पार्लियामेंट ऑफ रिलीजन्स को संबोधित किया था, वहां इस समारोह का आयोजन होना अपने आप में बड़ी बात थी। बच्चों ने प्रतियोगिता में स्वामी विवेकानंद एवं भगवान कृष्ण के जीवन पर आधारित प्रोजेक्ट्स को बनाकर सभी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत किया।
Swami Vivekananda, even though he went to the Parliament of Religions, it took a lot of time and a lot of patience to get there.
Namaste, my name is Aditi. This is the temple of Radha in Radha Mata. I learned what the Vedanta Center does every day, and I actually figured, I learned that the Vedanta Center is really new. It opened in March 2010. Namaste, my name is Anish. 7, Texas. Akshat Rao. 7, Arjun. 6, North Carolina. God until you believe in yourself.
Oh, Naren, where were you? I am eagerly waiting to see you. Come, take this prasad.
Sir, have you seen God?
Swamiji reached the southern tip of India, Kanyakumari.
Maharaja, as you know, I have decided to go to America to collect money to help the poor here in India. I am going to be speaking at the Parliament of World's Religions. Can you help me with this trip?
Of course, Swamiji. I would like to call you Swami Vivekananda.
Thank you, Maharaja. I will use the name that you have given me.
On the last part of the voyage between Japan and Chicago, you met Jamsetji Tata.
I am facing a difficult situation that I was hoping you could advise me on. I have traveled so far to speak at the Parliament of World's Religions, but I have discovered that I need formal credentials from a religious organization. Do you have any ideas what I should do at this point?
To ask for your credentials is like asking the sun to state its right to shine in the heavens. I will take care of this for you, Swamiji. It would be my honor. Let me write a letter immediately. To whom it may concern, you must accept Swami Vivekananda as a delegate to the Parliament of World's Religions. He would be an invaluable part of the conference. Here is a man more learned than all of our learned professors put together.
What's going to happen in the story next?
Sisters and brothers of America, my child, I foresee a great future for you in India. Let me tell, what was wanted was not a man but a woman, a real lioness, to work for Indians, women especially. Your name will become Nivedita, which means dedicated one.
You all enjoyed it thoroughly, and I also hope that you all take back some unique perspectives, unique things about Swami Vivekananda's personality from this story today. At this moment, I want to acknowledge the efforts that have gone into making this play come together so beautifully.
More than 130 children competed to win the final round of the National Dharmabhi competition. Nearly 3,000 contestants participated in the earlier rounds at 156 testing centers in the United States. This event was organized by the Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh, and it included activities like speech contests, poster presentations, and written exams divided into different age groups. A distinguished panel of judges from the Chicago area as well as from around the United States evaluated the contestants. Tulsi Gabbard was delighted to be in attendance. This novelty was held to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda.
I feel very privileged and honored to be here and to be able to share this special moment with all of you. In my introduction, I know as you all stood and clapped, you stood and clapped for the significance and the great wisdom that we have all found in the Bhagavad Gita, and being able to share that with our country.
Looking back at Swami Vivekananda, and Swami Vivekananda simply said, look, it's not simply our glorious past. Past is important, but future is the one that we are going to make with all those Hindu values.
It's wonderful to see kids, young people, and people of all ages here understanding and appreciating how to put the teachings of Bhakti Yoga, of Karma Yoga, the teachings that we find in the Bhagavad Gita into practice in their own lives, as they have over the last 6 months, culminating here with this gathering today. It's very inspiring.
At first, when I went to receive my award, I was very calm, like how Swami Vivekananda was, like how his father told him that he should be calm and never should be surprised at anything. So I tried to follow his teachings and wanted to use it in my real life.
I am very excited. I am actually very grateful that I have been able to
participate in his contest.
As an adult, I learned about Vivekananda after a long time, but this is a good opportunity for all the kids to learn.
He was very excited when I told him that we need to do a project as such. Shows that how Swami Vivekananda meditated for 3 days and nights.
I like that we were able to learn more about Hindu culture, about Swami Vivekananda and Lord.
నాకు ధర్మ గురించి ఏం నచ్చిందంటే స్వామి వివేకానంద గురించి ఫస్ట్ టైం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్
ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನ್ಯೂ ಜರ್ಸಿಯಿಂದ. ನನಗೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಬಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಧರ್ಮ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Favorite part of Dharma Bee was telling stories in front of a huge group of people.
Dharma Bee has been a wonderful experience for our whole family. And in addition to him, the parents, myself and my wife, we have learned so much about the greatness of Swami Vivekananda ji as well.
This Dharma Bee competition has been an exciting opportunity right from January to this day.
My daughter participated in Dharma Bee, and the first thing she said at level 2, when she came to level 2, was, even if I don't qualify, will you take me to the World Religion of Parliament? So
हम धर्मा बी के बाल हैं, माता पिता के लाल हैं, ऋषियों की संतान है, मानवता के प्राण है। अपनी रीति अपनी नीति हम सब ने पहचानी है। भारतीय संस्कृति सभ्यता जीवन में अपनानी है।